Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing a Target Liquidation box. I bought it for $70 and it's supposed to come with 20 items. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so I mostly bought this out of pure curiosity. I have no plan or there's no rhyme or reason to this at all. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Now the box is pretty light. I'm super weak and I can lift this box with no issues, so I'm a little worried about what's in here. And my cat's probably going to jump in this video. Okay, all right, what the heck? Okay. Okay. So the first thing that's in here is like a Thanksgiving wreath fall vibe. It is the Spirits brand. Anyway, that's the first thing that we have. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, the second thing we have is this little decorative table. It's super small. This again is also fall. It looks like it came from like the dollar section of Target. It does have tag on it still. Okay, so this is Opal House, which is actually like a pretty good brand. I'm gonna leave everything in the bag if I can. So here's what it looks like. It's kind of like white, and that's definitely my cat. It's white and blue. Oh my gosh. I really have not a clue what this is. It looks like it's some sort of a light fixture or like a neon light. Yeah, it says neon sign and it retails at $15. It looks like a star. Okay, so far we're not doing so hot, but someone's trash is another person's treasure. So, okay, we have these string pool lights, like pool wall lights. These are cute. I don't have a pool, but again, okay. And this is new. The box looks like it's never been opened. A UPS bag, which makes me feel like it was a return. I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. Actually, I'm gonna put that down. Okay, these are just candles. No, good for you guys, for whoever like returns like candles, because if I buy candles and I'm like not feeling it, there is no way I'm gonna return candles. So these are White Barn candles and they have like a little candle holder on them or with them. They're French lavender. Okay, kind of smell like a porridge on, but it's fine. There's that. Okay, we have new in the bag a little rabbit banner sign thing. Kind of cute, okay? Not hating on it, I'm not hating on it. Okay, so the vase is cute. I don't know if I can take these flowers out of the vase. Oh, but it's also red. Okay, but here we go. We have a vase with some like fallish type flowers. Honestly, if I can get the flowers out of there, the vase is kind of cute. Okay, we can work with the vase. Okay, this is kind of cute. What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we have like a little rainbow hanging sign. Not bad. I feel like it could be cute in like some little baby nursery or something like that. And I'm not sure what this is. It's Essential Home. It looks like it's just a lace table runner. I love anything like neutral color lacy, so okay. Okay, we have a star decorative pillow in here. new with tags still in the bag. It's a star, okay? It's fine, okay? Okay, we have little cream pumpkins. Honestly, I love fall and my pumpkins are still out in my house. Granted, these are like little fluffy pumpkins, so like not really my vibe, but okay. They say they retail for $10, but like 25 cents, maybe. Okay, so these are vase fillers. These are Opal House. I honestly love a lot of the Opal House stuff. Kind of goes with the blue and white table runner, maybe. We have a blue Thankful pillow. I feel like I definitely have some of the stuff that matches this, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, these are cute. I don't care, it's a win. I got little cute fabric carrots for Easter. So this must be like an Easter liquidation fall kind of box here. Oh my gosh, okay, so this is an oblong tablecloth. And it's just like kind of Christmassy vibe. I don't hate it. Kind of cute, okay? It still has the tags on it. It's Threshold, which is like one of my favorite brands from Target. So there's that. We have a 4-pack of photo frames. Wow, sorry guys. 4-pack of photo frames. I have another pillow that says Sea to Shining Sea. Okay, that's kind of cute. I'm not like a super big throw pillow person anymore, but it's kind of cute, okay? Gives me like little 4th of July vibes. Oh wait, and here we go. We have the matching pillow to go with it. Okay, I'm here for it. Okay, so these like go together. I'm down with the matching stuff. As long as something matches with it, I feel like maybe I could sell it for like $2 or something. Okay, this is completely sealed, which is kind of odd, right? Oh my god, happy fall, y'all. I love it. It's cute. It's quirky, but like I love quirky fall, so we're good. Okay. Also, this description did say it should have about 20 items, new with tags, unopened. I feel like we've definitely hit that. This last thing here, let's see. Okay, these are cute. These are just like cute little cream baskets, cream woven baskets. Okay, these are kind of cute. Nothing really seems like it's damaged or stained or has any issues, so that's also really great. Okay, this is my last package. Again, it's sealed. I'm not sure if, I don't really know. Okay, last package. Okay, so here's another Threshold. It's just a potted fake plant. It's cool. I'm here for it. Okay, that is all I got today in my box. Like I said, I did this just for pure curiosity to see what was in these boxes. I might do another one. I don't know. We'll see. I plan on possibly just reselling some of this stuff for really cheap because I really don't need any of it. But that's all for today. Thanks for joining in today.